sexy cowboy shirt on under here, man, but it's cold, man. Y'all see the sexy cowboy shirt, man? Yeah, man, but I got my Aeropostale hoodie on, man, because it's cold, yo. Yeah, man, yo, we about to go get our tickets and everything. Hold up, guys. Howdy, guys. Yeah, man. Yo, yeah, two sexy cowboys. Shaming and mad. Two sexy cowboys got to go for a train ride. Yeah, check it out, check it out. There's the trains are moving, guys. See the big tower? Pretty cool, huh, man? Yeah, man. See the trains moving. It's a caboose. Yo, it's a caboose. Caboose. Is that a caboose or is it, I don't know, guys. What's that called? The engine, the little engine that